In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to share your Google documents. Sharing your Google Docs, slides, sheets and more is great for group projects, sharing with your teacher, collaboration, feedback and so much more. And to do this, all you want to do is head on up to the blue share button at the top right of your document. And there are two main sharing options. The first method is to share with people directly, simply by typing in their email address in this box here. And from here you can decide whether the person can view, comment or edit on the document. And then you can also add a message to them if you decide. And once you're happy with this, all you need to do is click send at the bottom right. But there's also a second way of sharing your documents with people, and this is getting a shareable link. And there are two different links. The first one is a restricted link, so only people who you've shared this document with via their email address can access this, or anyone on the internet can access this document. And you can change that by clicking the change to anyone with the link text at the bottom. And simply to collect your link, all you need to do is just click copy link on the right hand side of this box. And from here you can send it to people via Google Classroom, email, text message, etc. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, since we post some of the best tips and tricks to help grow your confidence online. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.